So Jamaican football fans are still waxing lyrical about that gutsy display by the Reggae Girlz against World Cup title contenders, France. And of course, the big talking point continues to be those 2 yellow cards and the resultant red card to Captain Khadija Bonishaw. Looking at the incident again, it was a lunging tackle, almost two-footed, and the French player did the acting rest in dramatic fashion. But looking at it even closer, you can see the contact was minimal, and the reaction of the French player was highly exaggerated. This looks to me like a very winnable appeal that should be pursued to the bitter end. We understand that by the letter of the law, VAR can only get involved for straight red card offenses, and the Bonishaw case was a second yellow. But since VAR could not be used to reverse the original decision, this is a perfect case for an appeal. Bonishaw is too valuable a player for Jamaica for us not to appeal. It don't must work. But looking at it again, this French player should be doing movies in Hollywood instead of playing in the Women's World Cup.